discrimination of men, women, and LGBTQA+ community has always been an issue in this society.
The things that they can do are not defined by their gender, although cultural beliefs as basis for gender rules.
Let's break those stereotypes.
Women can only fit as secretaries, they cannot be as CEOs. Men don't wear makeup, they must be masculine, boys don't cry.
Which invalidates of emotion and self-esteem.
Nowadays, what men can do, women can also do the same. We should not impose restriction in what particular gender men do and cannot do.
Every man, woman should be treated as human being.
In the eyes of God, we are all equal.
We are all valid. I am a woman with peace, equality, dignity, and justice. And you are the man with unique personality, and I will respect you. So together, let's end this sexism and toxic masculinity and promote gender equality. So be proud of who you are, just be yourself. This is my advocacy and be an advocate.